Click IT is a new emerging franchise, providing IT services, products, and support, including computer sales and repair to both residential and commercial customers. Click IT grew from being a local computer store in a secluded suburban town, 35 minutes east of Cleveland, for 10 years before becoming a franchise. Our emphasis is on providing an amazing recurring revenue model for our franchise owners. With over 12 categories of best-in-class IT solutions, and over 100 menu items available in each store's virtual point-of-sale register. Our value-added proposition to both commercial and residential customers alike is to be their one-stop local IT department. An IT department delivered in a private, concierge-style setting. As an essential business, our stores have remained open daily during the pandemic, with normal business hours. ClickIT is a better business opportunity than any other managed computer services franchise with a bricks-and-mortar location. See what our clients have to say.
What I do know, Matthew, is that I trust you explicitly because I've talked to you many times on the phone. You're extremely professional, you're very polite, and I just really trust you. And since I started using ClickIT, I don't worry about a thing anymore. I used to worry about stuff coming in, and now the computer runs smoothly, and I don't worry, and it's problems that we used to have before just disappear. Awesome. So I really wish I started using this sooner, and I'd really like to see you kind of build us a new one.
So
And,
building means
put it
not
in.
what I thought. You're going to change things that are in there.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, so we'll probably build it from the ground up.
Yeah.
If that's what you want us to do, we can do a custom build, which basically means
We'll show you how to offer the best-in-class, managed IT services to a receptive network of appreciative clients. Franchisees receive access to administrative software systems, so they can easily manage their customers with computer repair, IT security, hosting services, website, design and development and more. Are you already an IT professional? If you already are in IT, and are interested in improving your bottom line, we can teach you how to propel you to new heights by using our techniques and business model to create more recurring, steady, and reliable revenue.
I do sales. That's what my expertise is in. That's what I've been doing for my entire life is sales. And I'll tell you right now, it's about finding that pain point with that customer and how you can alleviate that pain point. That's how you make money.
Here is a summary of the Click IT franchise system. We give you 1. A proven business model. 2. Guidance with funding the new business. 3. Extensive help with territory selection, managed by a strategic commercial real estate partner, who conducts all Click IT store location site searches to a successful conclusion.
Retail for lease between 750 and 1,500 square feet. So now we have 41 properties that we can look at, okay?
4. Lots of training and support for the franchise owner, including hands-on assistance during a new store soft opening. 5. Extensive assistance and tools for franchisees to use for easily finding customers.
This is called a cluster. So in order to see the cluster, you just click on it and it will actually zoom in, click on each individual icon for that particular person. Here in this case, Jeffrey Frank.
6. A pre-made and proven marketing and sales plan, spearheaded by a seasoned marketing team, focused on technology-based businesses, with a track record of successfully launching new Click IT stores in targeted locations.
I like it.
Yeah, then the next piece of this is we need to start driving traffic, and then it can also be grand opening messages. And then this is a promotional piece. It's a trifold.
7. An online members portal that contains all that's needed to successfully plan, build out, and open a Click IT store in your community, in an organized and systematic manner. 8. A step-by-step process, where you move at your own speed, before opening your new Click IT store, with a qualified and protected territory. And finally, 9. The most important thing, ready and open access to our experienced founder, and his knowledgeable and very capable team. They will make certain everything goes smoothly and according to a well laid out plan. Click IT franchise owners don't have to have the technical expertise to own a Click IT store. What we seek more importantly is a sales-oriented owner who, 1. Likes being involved in a community. 2. Loves teaching and helping people with complex tasks. 3. Likes gadgets, and of course, technology generally and understands how it can enhance our lives. Our ideal franchise owner is someone who learns fast, easily adapts to any situation, and thrives in ever-changing environments. Does any of this describe you? Ready to learn more? If so, make an appointment with us today. Begin the rewarding journey to business ownership and greater self-determination. Visit www.clickitfranchise.com and let's get acquainted, or feel free to call us directly at 1-800-368-7416. Thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing back from you soon. Please note, my voice was computer generated. How did I do?